we need to keep everyone safe.
Inmates in county jails in Utah are now beginning to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
Bob, this comes after a year of protests and complaints from family members concerned about the close living conditions. Haley Higgins shows us Davis County's rollout and then compares it to the state prisons.
Well, about half of the Davis County jail inmates have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. The jail is among the first in the state to regularly offer an inoculation to help prevent further outbreak. When an inmate is first booked into the Davis County jail, they're tested for COVID-19 and then isolated from the general population. After 2 weeks are up, they now have an option to get a COVID-19 vaccine.
We need to keep people safe. They live in high-density areas, very close with one another.
The local health department reports the Davis County jails experienced about 2 COVID-19 outbreaks, with 102 inmates testing positive during the pandemic.
Once COVID's in, it spreads really quickly and can be very, very dangerous.
Vaccinations began mid-March as the state of Utah opened up eligibility requirements. At first, the jail offered vaccines only to qualifying inmates, and now anyone booked into jail is offered a shot. So far, 209 have rolled up their sleeve.
It's important they get it because that's a population that more than likely we wouldn't be able to reach.
Statewide, 243 inmates in the Utah prison system received at least one vaccine dose out of more than 5,000 inmates. Utah prisons became a hotspot for COVID-19 infections, with 3,314 inmates testing positive and at least 16 dying. In a recent press release, the executive director for the Utah Department of Corrections said in part, quote, "We are heartened to see a light on the horizon as more and more individuals receive the COVID-19 vaccination within our facilities and the community." In Davis County, they consider the jail to be just one more place they can prevent further infection.
There's no taking away from general public to vaccinate them. It's just the same as any other outreach clinic that we would do.
The Davis County Jail plans to offer weekly regular vaccination clinics starting later this month. Reporting in Farmington, Haley Higgins, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Once an inmate is released, a vaccination card will be provided with their property. If they are released before getting a second shot, the jail will help them set that up.